Yeah, I have a 2022 Nissan Sentra. How to remove airbag, driver airbag. Yeah, I'll show you the trick, okay? Yeah, to remove this, you have to lose the cover, this cover, semicolon cover, this one, lose it, okay? Yeah, I got two both, one here and the other one here, okay? Yeah, you have to remove it. After you remove it, there is a little hole in bottom here. One tiny. Yeah, this. How to push it? Push a little screwdriver, unlock the bottom one, and then after that, this one was removed already, okay? And the second one here, there is a little hole on the back of the wheel. Little hole, you have to push screwdriver like this and push, okay? Yeah, pull like this to release it. After that, you turn it, you do 17 to the last one, okay? It's a little tiny hole on the back. Yeah. Okay. And then you remove it easily. Yeah, this old one remove. This is the new one, okay? But anytime this deploy, look at the cable. The cable is broke. You have to put a new cable. This one, most of the time I do, you have to change the clock spring. But for me, I just buy the cable and joint it together. But make sure you solder it, okay? You cannot leave it like that. If you leave it like that, that's not good. We'll have a resistance, okay? Thank you. And this is the new one. You put it in, you push it in. It has a horn. This cable is for horn. You have to plug these two airbag cable and then plug in, pushing it, okay? Thank you so much for next video. This is KZ Auto Service, Lawrenceville. Bye-bye.